Hi, I'm Adrienne from Act Now Creative. This is the Home Support Service Action Segment 9, Transport. COVID-19 has had a significant impact on who, how and if we currently travel. So whether you're home working, self-isolating, or you're one of the thousands of people that are currently doing essential work in the country, our travel and transport is significantly impacted by this pandemic. So for those in the household that normally help family and friends through taking them to appointments, to activities and to classes, that may well have reduced significantly or stopped completely. And for our aviation and our travel industries, they have been pretty much stopped as a result of this pandemic. So things to think about for us are when we move beyond COVID-19 and things go back to some kind of normal. What will we do then? Will we go back to the way things were, or will we change the way we're travelling and using transport? For those that are walking more and cycling more, will we do more of that? Or will we go back to using our cars and public transport in the way that we did before? So these are some things to think about in light of this pandemic. And as I often talk about the costs in a household, travel and transport is one of our largest costs, whether that's in time or whether that's in maintenance and the purchasing of vehicles and other transport. So it's one of our largest costs, and it's something that we really can give some thought to over this current time and going into the future. So that is the Home Support Service Action Segment 9, Transport. And please do keep those comments and shares, and when you share this, please do keep it helpful and supportive. And I will see you tomorrow for the Home Support Service Action Segment 10. Until then, take care.